Hey everybody, coming at you with a fresh project update. We just picked up this 1966 F100 for our good friend of ours, Nick. He's been wanting one for a while. He said he's been wanting one ever since he saw my truck done a few years ago. He's like, I just love that 60s body style. I think it looks super good low. It's been gone through. It's got a few upgrades. We're gonna go over that in a minute. It's sitting on a Crown Vic front suspension, and it's got a Mustang S550 IRS in the back. The original owner had it. He had the suspension on there. He drove it around. He had a 302, I believe, with auto trans behind it, and he kind of took it to Daytona rod run. That's where he got this little boo-boo here. But, you know, it gives us some nice patina. All around pretty decent truck. But then the original owner decided he wanted to start doing a Coyote swap to it. So it's actually got a Coyote in it, which is what I like. I was like, thumbs up to that. There you can see the independent rear suspension. It's actually my first time seeing this up close and personal. Obviously I've seen it on Mustangs, but I like it a lot. You get to actually keep a lot of the bed floor. This one's obviously static on coilovers. So there's a lot of great parts out for these trucks now. I'm pretty impressed with it. We've been doing a lot of custom work, but there's a lot of nice bolt-on stuff. That's the original customer did with this. It's all more or less bolt-on or easy to fabricate parts. So nice fresh Coyote in there. Ultimate headers. So we're going to be doing a full exhaust on it from the headers back. Interior's, you know, pretty decent shape. It's got a Dakota digital gauge in there. MT82 with a Forma Cars shifter relocation. So instead of, problem with the MT82s back in the day is it had the remote shifter that hung so far back, it would get, so you weren't able to run a bench seat with it. We're going to be doing a real simple bed floor, nothing too crazy, just kind of get obviously this diamond plate out of here and just frame it out. So just run some stringers, square tube stringers across it, and then real simple sheet metal right over it. You know, Nick's going to be throwing some bikes back there. You know, he's a rider. He'll be cruising around, obviously actually using it as a truck. So yeah, we'll get the taillights back in it and yeah, get this thing together. So biggest things are going to be the exhaust and the bed, and then some brakes and clutch adjustments. Just a quick little update. Stay tuned. Let's get to work. Let's talk more rock. Yee-yee. I don't know about all that shit.